Oxford Lasers are the staff and engineers here. For nearly 50 years we've been working at the leading edge of laser technology, and so I like to think of us as the home of laser innovation. We're based here in the UK and with an office in the US, and we serve a global customer base in precision industry and research. We have two main product lines, micromachining and imaging. Our Micromachining Division designs and manufactures high-precision laser micromachining tools for a wide range of applications, including micro-hole drilling and thin-film patterning. And we also laser micromachining services for feasibility studies through to high-volume 24/7 production. Our Imaging Division specialises in high-speed imaging products for laser illumination, particle sizing and velocity measurements.
My name is Alan Ferguson, and I'm business specialist here at Oxford Lasers.
Oxford Lasers specialises in ultra-high precision laser micromachining tools and services to create almost any feature in virtually any material with micro or nanoscale resolution. This includes difficult to machine materials, for example diamond, sapphire and tungsten. We have designed a range of systems that are configured to meet our customers' needs. The correct combination of laser, nano, pico or femtosecond, together with the appropriate motion control systems. Both industrial and research organisations from around the world depend upon us, including the semiconductor, pharmaceutical, quantum computing, medical, aerospace and automotive sectors. One of our specialities is precision laser drilling of guide plates, used in probe card assemblies for advanced wafer level test in the semiconductor industry. We are continually developing new laser techniques and processes for achieving the stringent requirements demanded by industry, including rectangular holes with zero tape. 24/7 we provide laser process guide plates with extremely high hole counts of up to 150,000 holes per plate. To date we have drilled over 100 million holes. Quality is critical. We have developed our own coordinate measuring machine. We know the exact position of every hole as well as each hole shape. This ensures the highest quality standards.
My name is Melvin Collins. I'm the Sales Director for Micromachining Systems at Oxford Lasers.
A specialised micromachining tool we have designed at Oxford Lasers is a trimmer. A trimmer enables the modification of a semiconductor device performance to be more accurate, thus increasing the device value. We allow precise control of a laser beam and its position with the galvo scanner to sub-micron accuracy, changing the device in real time. This is why we are better. We offer enhanced accuracy and the ability to change the rep rate to optimize throughput for fine and ultra-fine control. Our trimmers support 24/7 operation in high-volume semiconductor plants across the globe. One specialized micromachining service we offer is supporting the pharmaceutical manufacturing industry with precision laser-drilled holes. Pharmaceutical companies want to know their packaging is leak-tight to ensure the shelf life of their products through validated container closure integrity testing, CCIT. We drill precise repeatable holes in their packages, vials, ampoules, bottles, so they can test their production machine with known positive controls. The key question is, does the tester find these defects? This supports their good manufacturing practices. We drill holes down to 2 microns, offering higher confidence for their process. All of this is validated with metrology and individual certificates to support our customers' growing compliance requirements to USP 1207 and EU Annex 1.
My name is Dr. Seamus Murphy and I am the manager of the Imaging Division within Oxford Lasers.
We have two product groups where we use short pulse lasers, our VisiSize particle characterization systems and our laser illumination systems used in high-speed imaging. Our particle characterization products are image-based systems using a shadowgraph technique to capture high-quality images of droplets and particles in flies, reporting size and velocity information in real time. The VisiSize P15 Plus is a game-changing droplet sizing system, compact and portable for use in lab or in field, and from setup to operation in 15 minutes. Our P15 Plus system is a really popular unit in the agrochemical sector. It has been used in field assessments of drone spray application systems to assess spray quality. The Class 1 laser safe N60 system is another game-changing product. The ability to operate in difficult and extreme industrial environments, yet is simple to operate, capable of measuring droplets at 1500 meters per second and capturing detailed information to drive product development and understanding. One application in the steel industry utilised the N60 to capture detailed size and velocity data to allow optimization of the cooling process. Another application sees nozzle developers use our system in their product development to better understand spray quality. Our second product group, the laser illumination, transforms high-speed cameras into advanced imaging system solutions. We have two products. The FireFLY 500 watt unit for general high-speed imaging provides flexible illumination and operation, minimum pulse duration of 50 nanoseconds and continuous operation up to 100,000 Hz. The FireBIRD 1000 watt is the most powerful short pulse laser available in the market. Operating in both high-speed and ultra-high-speed imaging is designed to meet the needs of difficult and challenging applications. With a 15 nanosecond pulse duration and an operating frequency up to 10 MHz. Our laser was used in a biolocomotion study of a mantis shrimp, using a light sheet to illuminate the field of view to visualize how the shrimp swims through the water column, capturing detailed velocity vector information. Another significant use of our lasers is to image through bright events, such as a welding process. The unique single wavelength of the laser with a pan-pass filter enable us to see details of the melt pool and molten transfer process. In the area of medical devices, we work on a diverse range of respiratory and intranasal type devices, visualizing the formation and development of spray events, assessing performance and consistency of the devices for development of inhalers and the reformulation of active pharmaceutical ingredients in devices.